Hey guys, it's your girl Shanae of Pretty and Coils. So today I'm doing a bit of a throwback sort of treatment to my hair. You may have had this done a lot to you as a kid. I'm sure your mother had mixed up some eggs and some mayo and threw it on your hair. You're like, what? But you didn't question it because you didn't question your mother. But anyways, I'm gonna bring that back. We're gonna do a protein treatment with eggs and mayo, but of course I'm gonna step it up a bit and do a little upgraded version because I threw in some honey and some olive oil as well. So let's get started. Of course, I already have my ingredients in the bowl right here. Let's see if you can see that. So I have 1 egg, I have some mayo, I have some honey, I have some olive oil. How much of each ingredient you use is really based upon how much hair you have. Obviously my hair is a bit on the shorter side, but it is growing, y'all. It's growing. But I mean, so I don't have that much in here, but it's probably still too much because like I said, I don't really have that much hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. I have not had egg and mayo on my hair in so long, so we'll see how this goes today. I just know it's good because it was good when I was younger. So we're gonna mix. I'm just gonna use my hands and just massage that on in there, okay? This feels kind of gross. It's like snot. Literally feels like snot, guys. Okay, this towel has to go. It's not working well for me right now. Let's get that egg in there. Oh, it's so messy. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. You guys will figure it out. Me, I'm gonna do it the dumb way. And just apply it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let this stuff sit on my hair for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna wrap it up, or I'm going to put this very fancy conditioning bag that I got from the store. It's supposed to really help condition your hair. So we're gonna add that onto there. Okay, this bag. It's pretty affordable. You can get it most places. So we're gonna put that on our hair, 30 minutes, and then this is coming off because as you can see, it's like leaking everywhere and it's pretty gross. But it's good for your hair, so the things we do for beauty. I'll be right back. So the protein mask has been washed completely out with my shampoo and conditioner, and now we're gonna go in and style this a bit. I'm gonna use my Hass coconut milk and organic honey curl enhancing lotion. We're gonna put some of that on there. I think I put way too much, but it's all good. Now it's time for the Eco Styler. I'm using the coconut oil one. I love this stuff just because it's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like it has glitter in it. And I'm just gonna pull that through.
Warning.
This video I did my hair mask, my protein hair mask. I think it came out lovely. I'm not exactly an expert on laying edges, but I think I did a pretty good job. I did a little throwback with the toothbrush, throwback with the eggs and the mayo and the hair mask. So I hope you like this throwback video and continue to watch my channel. You can do that by subscribing so that you know when I get new videos, when I upload new videos. And remember to thumbs up And of course I have to say it because I say it at the end of every video. Thumbs up and subscribe.